If you share your home with your pet, the Bissell Lift-Off Floors & More Pet 2-in-1 Stick Vacuum is ideal for quick and easy cleaning. You'll be pleasantly surprised with the power packed into this lightweight 2-in-1 cordless vac that was designed with pet owners in mind. The lint strip is uniquely positioned to draw in loose fur. The swivel head maneuvers easily around chair legs and other obstacles, and the two-way folding handle makes it a cinch to take care of the fluff that sneaks under couches and tables. The on-off brush roll gives you extra pickup power on low-pile carpet and area rugs. Then switch it off with a quick click to take care of business on scruff-prone hardwood floors and laminates. The removable hand vac makes it quick and easy to tidy up stairs, upholstery, and more. Simply pop out the built-in crevice tool to clean out those comfy cushions and crumb-filled corners. When you're finished, fold the handle back for compact, convenient storage. The Bissell Lift-Off Floors & More Pet 2-in-1 Stick Vacuum for people and their pets.